Patrymau Iaith, Diwrnod 7. Corwen a Llangollen, Sylfaen. Day 7 language patterns. Your day in Corwen and Llangollen uses units 18 and 19 of the Sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Gofyn cwestiynau. Mae, ydy, sy. Asking questions. Mae, ydy, sy. These are the question words with which you will now be familiar. Pwy, be, pryd, sut, lle, pam, faint. Sut, lle and pryd are usually followed by mae. Sut mae'r tywydd? Lle mae'r car? Pryd mae'r cyfarfod? Be, beth, faint and pwy are usually followed by ydy. Be ydy dy enw di? Faint ydy'r bil? Pwy ydy'r tiwtor? Remember, all of the words that follow ydy above are definite or specific nouns. Your name, the bill, the tutor. These questions are about identification. What is it? Who is it? How much is it? Ydy works like an equals sign. Pwy equals a tiwtor. Pwy ydy'r tiwtor? John equals a tiwtor. John ydy'r tiwtor. Faint equals a bill. Faint ydy'r bill. 5 punt equals o. 5 punt ydy o. Now look at the following. Pwy sy'n diwtor? Who is a tutor? Indefinite, non-specific. If you are using an indefinite noun, use sy instead of ydy. Pwy sy'n talu? Who is paying? Be sy'n digwydd? What's happening? Pwy sy'n boeth? Who's hot? Faint sy'n y dosbarth? How many are in the class? These questions are about information, not identification. Who is doing or feeling something? When? How? Also, they are not followed by a definite or specific noun or person. For these we use sy. Sy questions could be written, who is it that is paying? What is it that is happening? Who is it that is hot? Past tense questions are easier. Use oedd. Sut oedd y tywydd? How was the weather? Faint oedd y bill? How much was the bill? Pwy oedd y tiwtor? Who was the teacher? Pwy oedd yn hapus? Who was happy? Future tense is also easy. Use fydd. Sut fydd y tywydd? How will the weather be? Faint fydd y bill? How much will the bill be? Rhif 2. Pa mor bell? This is a question that is trying to measure with an adjective. How big? How far? How red? An equivalent translation of pa mor bell might be how much far? Pa mor bell ydy Castell Carnarfon o Gastell Conwy? How far is Carnarvon Castle from Conwy Castle? Rhif 3. Gwrchmynion, commands. In Mynediad, you learned about commands. In Welsh, when giving someone a command or instruction, a special ending is needed. To make a verb into a command, you need the ending wch for chi or a for ti. Eistedd, eisteddwch, eistedda. This works for most words. However, if the verb you're turning into a command ends with a vowel, you drop the final vowel of the word before adding the ending. Codi, codwch, coda. Ymlacio, ymlaciwch, ymlacia. And the final one is verbs ending with ed or egg. The ending ed or egg is dropped. Use this little phrase to help you remember it. Eds will roll and eggs will smash. Cerdded, cerddwch, cerdda. Rhedeg, rhedwch, rhedda. These verb stems will come up in future courses in short form patterns. Rhif 4. Gwrchmynion a freolaidd. Irregular commands. As ever, the most commonly used commands are irregular. Mynd, ewch, dos, dod, dewch, tyrd, gwneud, gwnewch, gwna. Rhif 5. Paid, don't. If the command is not to do something, then you use peidiwch a for chi or paida for ti, followed by a verb with an aspirate mutation. Peidiwch a mynd, paid a mynd. Peidiwch a thalu, paid a thalu. Peidiwch a chodi, paid a chodi. Peidiwch a phoeni, paid a phoeni. A becomes ag before a vowel. Peidiwch a garos, paid a garos. Peidiwch a gofni, paid a gofni. Rhif 6. Ffurf cryno y gorffennol. Short form past tense. The same stems of verbs are used in short form patterns. Drop the final vowel, eds and eggs will roll. And then the following ending is added for the different people in the past tense. Fi, es, mi ddarllenes I. Ti, est, mi ddarllenes ti. Fo, oedd, mi ddarllenodd o. Hi, oedd, mi ddarllenodd hi. Ni, on, mi ddarllenon ni. Chi, och, mi ddarllenoch chi. Nhw, on, mi ddarllenon nhw.